get it out.
Well,
That might be why you're having a hard
stomach's
time.
hurting?
No, it's
No, it's
actually
relieved.
gone
It's
down
gone
a
down.
lot.
Yeah, but
Oh, yeah?
Like a lot.
My tummy looks like that.
try to poke your butt, but nobody's gonna care if you shit your pants. It
I
happens.
don't want to poop my pants.
I don't want to.
I don't even want to poop my pants when I'm alone. It's degrading to myself.
I know.
Yeah, hell yeah. Ah, son of a bitch! I'm a grown ass person. That shouldn't happen. What the fuck?
Right?
Everything is too liquid for me to be trying to push anything out.
See,
right
this
now.
can't be on YouTube.
Yes, it can, dude. This is perfect YouTube material. People are going to see this and they're like, oh my gosh, this shit's hilarious. 80,000 views right now.
What? That is that? Yes, sweetheart. It's cool. You keep it. I don't want it.
Okay, so instead of just letting it out, let it gurgle out. It sounds so much meaner, dude. Like
Does
it's
it?
like it's like a growl. Like
Oh, yeah. No, that's what I was doing.
Story is still looking at me like, you's creepy. And she's backing
Okay.
away.
So for those of you that don't realize what we're doing,
it's like a growl.
you can actually, instead of, like, some people can like swallow air and put it into their throat right here. You get this weird noise. Type burp. And I learned back in like junior high that you can actually like inhale into your stomach. And then I was showing my brother that I could actually like breathe in and out on my stomach. So that's what he's doing right there. So we were doing that earlier because she's caught a really upset stomach. Just trying to show her how to breathe out. So it was like one of this.
No, let it growl out. No, let it growl out. Not that.
I can't do it, dude.
That's funny.
I don't know if I can get it to growl like that.
No, like let it out like a burp.
Let it out like a
Not
burp.
quite. Like give it some resistance, but not quite that much. Oh, believe me, dude, the stomach acid gurgles when you do it. It gurgles. Yeah, there you go.
That's a hard one to hold.
Oh, you got so much stomach acid buildup. Oh,
See, I like
that was
just,
a good
I
one.
just prefer to burp it. The breathing, it's cool. It's a cool little party trick, but the burp's way better.
She can hand that to me if she wants to.
Okay, go for a big one.
The biggest burp.
Yeah, suck it in and then hold it there. Let it
No,
upset.
you got-
Oh yeah, it gets bad.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, it does.
It gets really bad.
Okay, ready? Ready?
Ooh, that's rough.
Yeah, I know.
Ooh, that's rough.
Hold on.
I don't have any
Oh,
stomach
sure.
acid pills.
That's what the bucket's for.
Oh, okay. I wonder if this is how cavemen
You gotta
decided
suck
to
harder.
communicate.
You gotta suck harder, said every man ever.
Oh, it inverted. It went the wrong way.
No, you gotta get
Oh,
it
it's
to
in the
go
right
in.
spot. It's in the right
You gotta
spot.
get-
If
you'll-
it hurts now,
You'll
it's in the
feel
right
it. If it goes in, you'll feel it.
Is it Band-Aid? Awesome.
Oh, there's a reason we're totally upset.
No, hold it. Hold it in there. Ooh, that's rough. Dude, that hurts.
All you're doing is stinking it up.
No, I'm getting more in there. Hang on a minute. I'm stretching
Oh.
that bitch out.
Let's stretch it out. Think this is what competition you is?
Nope, that was it. That's all I had that one. There's some more in there, but I can't get it out.
You're getting close, though. You're definitely getting close.
Oh my gosh.
It's gonna stink so bad in here, dude.
Oh, don't laugh. Don't laugh on an inhale, dude. That's fucking weird. Oh, that is really weird feeling. Careful. My stomach hurts.
My
Doing this that
stomach
much.
feels so much better.
Does it?
It really, really does.
Oh wow, look at that.
It helps so much.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. I keep doing it.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh my gosh.
That was
I can't
weak.
breathe.
That was just short.
That was weak.
It was volumetric, but it was short.
Okay.
Okay. I think if I go right here.
Can you do it with a frog in your throat? Oh my gosh, dude, you're straight up smell like vomit.
Oh, stomach acid.
Wow, dude,
I
that
told
was
you.
bad.
Yeah, but all of them in
man.
there. lot of residual
I like that.
fucking air, dude.
I like the slow gurgle out, dude. I don't like that forced.
No, it still smells like you.
Oh, you wanted to slowly gurgle?
Yeah, listen.
I know what you're going for.
Like I like those. Like somebody just got done drinking a nice beer.
Yeah, it's much better.
Oh no, it's still stuck. Someone
Story,
came out.
you
Drop your tongue when you do it.
No.
Oh no, it's still stuck. I can't get it
It's
all out.
stuck. It's stuck.
It'll come out in a minute. It'll be really bad.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah.
I choked on you.
Hey,
I'm gonna burp on you.
God damn.
I'm gonna fart on you.
It's like getting. Never mind.
Stone.
Hey, no. Give that to me. Hey,
Give
listen.
that to me. I want it.
She just ripped it from Madison's
I
hand.
took it from
She took
you.
from Coda's hands.
I took it from him. Hey!
I am the covert commander.
There you go. Buckets.
Are you gonna burp in the baby's face?
Don't puke on her.
You're fine.
Run away. That's funny stuff. That's messed up, dude. Jeez, yeah. For sure.
Is that funny?
That's messed up. She's like, oh yeah? Buttercups, you do. She's like reaching for her. Here, I'll
I'm
go
gonna get you back. I'm gonna get you back, man.
Was it stinky? Was that stinky?
Oh my gosh. She
Guys, I can't sit down here. Wow. I'll sit back here. Oh, okay. That's a big of a house stink.
Fuck! You had to get it on an intake, didn't you? I just got the last one out of my stomach.
Sorry, but it's true.
You figured it out yet?
No.
Ah,
Come on.
fuck.
Damn it, I was trying, but I got a baby in my
Okay,
face.
listen. Oh, you'll drop the tongue down, okay?
Okay.
And you'll get that in your throat. When you do that, you literally just have to hit it,
Bro, you can't smell
and
that
you'll
quick.
feel it. Like,
No.
it hits in your throat
Just a
right there.
residual.
You gotta just keep
I'm
sucking.
hoping I
It's,
don't
it's almost like, if it doesn't go past,
Oh my goodness.
it's almost like popping a bubble. It's like popping your throat cherry, okay? Like, the first time's the hardest. Seriously,
You need to pop your throat cherry.
after that, it'll be a lot looser next time.
I thought this was already achieved, but I guess we have
It
to
becomes
do it.
it becomes easier and easier every time
yeah.
you've done it. We've done it a
Choke
lot
on
over the
you?
years.
You popped your throat cherry.
Yeah. Pop my throat cherry with air.
You want me to
With
burp in
air.
your face?
With air. Let me emphasize on that with air.
Yeah,
He
with
says.
air. You can't even get an air bubble in your throat. So
Nope, I'm good.
Barely get a penis in her mouth.
You don't want me to burp in your
that's
face?
not true.
I can't.
I
That's
said it is.
burping, not
That's fine.
choking.
Yeah. My mouth is like very full.
You said your mouth is very
You want it.
My mouth is small.
Suck in harder. You
That
gotta
one is just a burp.
right, but you'll feel it hit that spot.
Don't hit. You be careful.
You're gonna feel it hit that, and you gotta just keep sucking hard, like harder.
Oh goodness.
You got
There you
you
go.
like
You
the
good?
first time it happens, it's probably
Can I step
gonna
on it?
hurt. That's what I'm telling you. It's your throat cherry. Like it's gonna hit, and it's like
Step.
ow. It
You
feels
wanna
like
sit?
all the air comes into this, and then it's like ah, and then it finally just pops loose. You'll be like, and it's gonna feel so weird. You'll probably crap out of it. Bet. You start sucking air, and you're like, oh, I just did it. Oh shit, I just did it. And then you're gonna
That's
have
how
to.
I usually get.
Yep. And you'll have to do it again
Okay.
because it's like that.
Y'all look
Like-
like apes.
Shit, I was gonna say you look like a baby gorilla. Like
Yeah,
prepping
you don't think you did? You literally were.
I know the first time I was growling, that's exactly how I felt.
Okay, so
No,
one that he's not
she's
telling
playing
you
with
that
it.
took us both to learn how to do it. You actually have to pump your stomach in and out. You're actually gonna fucking work your diaphragm.
Once you get that bubble,
Yeah, once you get
that bubble, you gotta like
your diaphragm.
you're gonna pull it down and
So
just
you're gonna
keep.
sit there and go. You're gonna just basically
Marry you.
until it pops.
Oh,
You're so close.
Exactly. Just keep
You're
doing that.
so
Just
close.
keep doing that. Get that in the back of your throat. It'll fucking it'll tear down. The first time it happens, it's probably only gonna be and that's it. But
Yeah.
no,
You'll
I
get
can't
some,
even do it.
you'll
right
feel
now.
when it goes in. You'll feel it, and you're like, yes.
From there, you just hit the key to the fucking doing it. But you work with it long enough tonight, you'll get it.
And Maddie, you stop playing with it.
It's like learning
Maddie,
to
do
whistle.
you want a
loud.
bucket? Okay.
Stop
I
doing that
can't whistle.
No.
I can do all sorts of whistles, but I can't do any loud
That's
ones.
my whistle.
Yeah. So I couldn't whistle loud either. It took me almost a week to learn to whistle loud. I can whistle like 5 different ways.
No, Daly.
How do you whistle?
I don't care. I said no. I don't
Like
shut
that
it.
with my tongue.
You should still be. You're
That
already
deal?
asleep.
So I can do that one, and then I
Max, up
oh,
here.
then I can do in and out right here.
So has to learn how to roll it though, and make it pretty.
I can't. That's with the lips. You're talking. You
No,
do
it's
the
not.
teeth.
No, it's not. It's with the tongue.
I guess.
All with the tongue.
Is it?
Just the
What is
tip.
it? Yeah, but are you doing all of your teeth or just the lips?
It's so you're doing this whistle. Just that one.
Is it
But you're
heavy?
fucking just the tip of your tongue. Like, move your tongue while you do it.
I can do that.
Yeah, that's all you're doing to change the tune.
But then this one,
I
that
can't
one
do
took
that.
a
I
minute
can't
to
do
learn.
that.
Like I was like a week. My lip muscles were so sore. Then the other thing,
It all, and I can literally feel it building back up.
Oh yeah.
yeah, that's because you're sick, dude. All that bile's like just gurgle farting in there.
Gurgle fart.
I
I like
Doesn't make
that.
sense
It's
though, 'cause I
gurgle
only have a
fart,
certain
man.
amount of stomach bile. I don't create more.
Everybody
Oh, man,
creates
see, I
one.
got
don't
too much
have a
air stuck down
gallbladder.
there. Now
That's
it's
what your
moving down.
gallbladder does, is create more stomach acid.
It's not stomach acid. We're talking about bile. That comes from your
That
that comes from
bile
your
and-
liver. It's not from your gallbladder.
That's bile and stomach acid are the same thing, aren't they?
No,
Stomach
bile.
acid and bile is different. Bile is from your
Acid.
liver.
Yeah.
Like
bile
when you
lubricates.
so when you were having your baby, right? Did you start throwing up?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know when like the vomit stopped and everything else stopped and it was just this green it's like the nastiest tasting. That's bile. It's coming from your liver. That's what's like. Your liver is just it's having a mess right now, cleaning out all the blood and stuff in your system, trying
Did
to
you
clean
pull
out
those out?
the bacteria.
No, you didn't pull those ones out?
Shit's all jacked up.
Oh.
There you go. We put those in there.
Where?
In the trailer.
Where the fuck am I supposed to sleep?
On the couch.
Fuck that. It's not Aaron's couch. It's not that.
Where you go?
Is that a doggy?
Hey.
Okay. If you say so.
Madison. Hi.
Man, we're having all the cool free shit on KSL.
I don't know.
Started making it illegal to do certain things for free.
What are you talking about?
Did they?
I don't know.
Can't fucking advertise yourself on KSL anymore.
You're old enough to vote, right? Hey, you guys are gonna register to vote, right?
I've been registered to vote.
I'm old
2
enough?
elections.
Yes. What, you think I'm not 18?
Well, I'm just saying you're gonna register to vote, right? Because, like, Prop 2 is a big.
Oh fuck! I will not vote to legalize marijuana.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
They're gonna
Because
turn
they're gonna fucking turn it into something it's not supposed to be. They're already doing it.
What?
Marijuana without THC in it. They're already fucking doing it. Now they're gonna start selling. What is it? Nicotine-free cigarettes. So all you're getting from the cigarettes is all of the chemicals and the tobacco. No nicotine. Help you quit.
You know that
smoking.
medical marijuana is like more concentrated THC
Yeah, but
than
it's
regular weed.
all
No,
so fake
Yeah.
because it's all genetically
Yeah, it's
modified.
all
It's not a
fucking
truly
Everything
grown
you
plant.
okay, everything you eat
I'm
you're in
still
the
gonna
United
vote for it.
States.
I'm
it's
still
GMO.
gonna
I
say
won't vote for
I
it.
want it to be
Yeah,
approved, but I'm seeing where he's coming from is all.
but if it's legal, what's to keep you from having plants that aren't?
Because you cannot order seeds online that are not GMO.
You have to go to a
So
specific
don't.
dispensary.
You
and
know
get your
people that know people
Do you?
that can get
Do
seeds.
you?
Sure, why not?
That are coming from plants that aren't already modified?
That
seeds. I
don't have
some stored
THC.
away right now.
Huh?
I have some stored
Are
away
they?
right now. I wouldn't doubt that they're not
You know
genetically
what? In all
modified,
honesty,
but I
and
have
all
had
the
some dirt
all
that
of the
has
weed that you try to buy is probably GMO.
Well, yeah, most of
100%.
it. But I do know this one guy who has been growing his own weed.
Dude, like, when's the
like
last time
30 or
you
40
saw
years.
swag? That was weed. Everything else has been modified. No, everything
Well,
else
everything
has been
else has
modified.
been
When I say
bred
dirt
that
weed, I
way.
mean
Yeah.
Huh?
I don't
When I
understand.
say dirt weed, I mean
I
shrub.
know. I know what you mean.
So I don't understand where you're having a problem with.
Babe, your phone's still recording.
Oh, that's okay. I don't understand why you're having a problem with it potentially, like, some of that's like fuck Blue Dream and all that other shit, dude. That stuff's blended GMO, whatever else,
Yeah,
THC's to
they're
the
gonna
roof.
get fucking okay. You want weed to be legal? Let me ask you this: do you want it so that you can smoke it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hope you're ready to get rid of your firearms.
Recreationally, you have to get rid of your firearms.
If you get a medical license, you are not allowed to own firearms. You have to fucking turn over all your
Really?
firearms if you have a medical license or if you have a med card.
I haven't heard anything
And if
about
you go
that.
recreational,
Damn it.
you can't even go to a shooting range.
I can feel it.
What?
Yeah, fucked up, ain't it? Look into it.
I'm gonna have to look into
You are
it.
gonna have to look into it.
That's the first thing.
You're like, oh shit, it changed my perspective a little
Every
bit.
time I registered to vote, I get called for jury duty, so no.
Ooh.
That has nothing to do with jury duty.
Bullshit, it doesn't.
It doesn't.
It does.
It doesn't.
That's how
I've
they
been
track
registered to
you.
vote since I was 18.
Great, good for you. And then
Some
every time
people-
I register,
That's 14 years. Your register to vote all comes off of your driver's license. That's why they tell you that you have to change your address on your driver's license within 30 days of
places
moving.
of employment and things like that will trigger you to be summoned more too. 'Cause I hear they have a hard on for postal employees.
Well, you guys get paid twice to do it, so why not? You're getting your hourly rate plus
Right.
being there.
Well,
Of course, they got a hard on for postal
okay,
employees.
you think it's the driver's license? Well, babe, I haven't changed my address on my driver's license since living in Andrews.
I didn't say. Whoa! I didn't say that that's what triggers it. I'm telling you that that's how they find you. That's why you have to be within the last 30 days legally.
It's actually 10 now.
10 days of moving.
Mm-hmm.
Damn,
From that one to that
it's
one.
getting old. All the
Dude,
laws
free
have been
shit's
changing.
just dirt, couches, sticks, and what was the other one? Dirt, couches, sticks,
And fish
furniture. No, and furniture. That's
Oh.
it. That's all the free shit you can get on here anymore. Oh yeah, and fucking every now and again you can get like egg cartons.
Egg curtains. Ow.
Oh wait, nope. There's a rare one. Free silky rooster.
Oh, you're kidding.
There you go.
Look at how cute it is. Oh my gosh. That's the chicken I want. I want that kind of chicken.
It's not a chicken. It's a
doubt it.
rooster.
It's a chicken.
I want to see you breathe into your stomach. I want to see your face, and you finally figure it out.
You'll find that you have to hold a certain. You have to hold your mouth. a
all
certain way.
starting to build
You
back
hold
up
your head a
again.
certain
Right
way.
after I stopped, it just whoop, all went going again. Are you happy that I elbowed you in the head?
Yeah.
Are you having fun with the Skylanders?
Oh, dude, my dumb ass paid my fucking car payment
Yeah.
early. Shouldn't have done that.
Yeah.
Shouldn't have done that.
Yes.
It was like,
Why?
I went and looked at my bank account. I was like, oh, great, I got $50 for the next 2 weeks. That's awesome.
$80?
50. Oh, no, you still got to pay me, so that's good.
A little bit.
150.
A little bit.
That's okay.
150.
It's enough to make it till payday.
And then you owe me for food.
Just pay me 100.
You can do it. Oh, look at it's a whale. Look at him. Oh.
Oh, I can feel it. I can feel it
Pull
exactly what you're
harder.
You gotta
saying.
pull past
Wiggle your
that.
tongue too.
trying.
I'm telling you, put your tongue out and tip your head back as you're doing it.
Ow.
There's something trapped in there. It'll hurt.
Oh, let's see.
Drink some of that Sprite. It'll help force that back out.
Dib.
Just dip.
You need Coke without bubbles.
No, you need root beer.
Yeah, root beer's a good
Mountain Dew
one.
ice. Gosh, it has so much carbonation.
It's not about the carbonation. I'm
Don't
telling
make your
you.
burp big though.
No,
So
but
is root beer.
that's what I'm telling you.
Specifically.
You're talking about how bad your stomach hurts because you're bloated and you want to put something else in there that causes bloating.
Help her burp.
Coke without the bubbles.
Maddie, no, baby.
The acid counteracts the base on the bile. So then the burping stops.
Where are you putting all those Skylanders, Chica?
Black Coke. She's putting them in the buckets.
And then where? Because she's like walked over there and then walked back with empty buckets.
I don't know.
I didn't see her carrying any anywhere. I'll make sure she gets
Are you
them all
sure the
back,
bucket
though.
was empty?
There's
I don't
one.
know. They just, I know. I don't care that they're all over. I don't care that they play with them. They're a pain in the bitch to walk on.
A pain in the bitch.
Yes.
Is that like a specific spot in the middle of your foot? Because I'm pretty sure mine's like, you know when you step on the Lego? The Lego? Is it like, does it always
I thought
find
you were
the bitch?
referring to her as the bitch. Oh, it's a specific pain in the bitch. Like,
No,
where's
see,
that specific spot in the bitch?
I'm just thinking like
pain.
the
That's what I heard.
I'll bite you, Chica.
I'm just thinking like, you know the Lego, when it finds that spot on your foot, you step on it and you're like, son of a bitch! Like, is that the spot we're talking about? The pain in the bitch?
Yes.
Because you're like, it's gonna make you say son of a bitch?
Yes.
Oh, dude, that'd be the funniest thing to hear in the middle of the night to wake up to. Oh, pain in the bitch!
She just dug that out of there.
Don't curve your back this way.
I made my
Suck your back like you're about to take it. Like that.
Take it good. You gotta, I'm telling you,
might want to
push your tongue out a little bit when you suck in too.
stick your tongue out.
Yeah.
Not even kidding. Stick your tongue out. It flows a lot better.
Yep.
We just learned how to do it without it. Because when we were learning, it was like this.
They just want to get me in that position.
Yeah, that's what it is. Jack
That's all I
team,
wanna
double-ended DP, right? That's
Oh,
funny
God.
shit. What?
Sorry, brother.
Relax. Relax.
That's why it came out of your mouth.
Well, I'm just saying, you're the one talking about front and back. This is the one thing like this, yeah. Relax, you.
I was just shocked that it came out of your mouth.
I can say it if I want.
Oh, I need a break.
If you do it, you won't need a break. You're done.
No, I need a
I
back.
don't know. You know as well as I do. At the beginning or whatever, you get a lot of that air trapped in there, and you're like, oh fuck, and it starts coming out your ass about 30 minutes later. I got some trapped in there. I can feel it rumbling
5
down.
minutes
Yeah?
later.
Yeah, I've been
Oh,
tempted to
that's
stick
so
my ass in the air, wait for it to come out.
I guess so. Is that part of his Halloween costume? Oh, so he's a barbarian,
She can go to the bathroom and puke it out now. She's like, it's too much.
right?
Too much.
Hey, Story, come here. Shit.
Did that just come off?
Yeah. It's not the first time.
I need to take her boobs off.
You can take your boobs off?
My boots?
Oh, boots. I was about to say.
I cannot detach my boobs.
I was gonna say. Really?
Trust me, if I could, I'd refill those fuckers and then put them back on.
Oh yeah?
Really? Yeah. Look at the bottom of my boot. They melted.
What'd you melt it on?
I have no idea. These are like 4 years old, so I have no idea. My tummy hurts from watching you guys do this.
Your tongue hurts.
Do it again. Do it again.
So, Ice Skylander? Is that what that is?
Story. You're so cute.
I'll paddle your butt, just so you know.
Pull her pants up though. Dude, she's sagging like a 90s
Pull your pants up,
gangster.
come
Hey,
here.
Story, stop it.
You're good. There you go. You're good now. You need your pants up, sweetheart.
You fix it? Mostly, come here. Come here.
They're up.
Come here.
No, they're up. They're hiked
Story,
up. Dude.
stop it.
They're hiked. They're hiked, dude. They're just saggy.
There you go. Okay, now you can play with them. Thanks.
Change. Our diaper's hanging halfway down her legs.
What are you looking for on there?
I was just looking through shit, seeing if there's anything decent. There's an AC unit, the 350. There's a big ass AC unit too.
No, don't unzip it. That's all for looks. Just pull.
If you don't need the zipper, why have the zipper?
I don't know, because it looks cool.
Not really.
Yes, it does.
You what?
Really? Here, Maddie, smell mommy's feet. Are they
Oh.
stinky?
Ow,
She just
fucker.
says, she like tries to pull your sock off and rolls away. Like, yeah, all right.
Hey, hey, smell him. Smell. Smell my feet.
Smell my feet. Right here.
Smell daddy's foot.
Right here. Smell my feet. What do you
He's
think?
making your daughter smell her feet. you sick
Yeah?
fuckers. It's horrible fans. Not my feet. Do they stink? Okay, cool. I don't
She
know.
shook her head, yes. Yep. Sure
You've
do.
never done that with your own kid? Okay then. Hello, monkey. Woo! Good job.
She actually kind of liked that one. That
Do it again. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Yay!
Hey, just so you're aware, Story's got a thing. She's got a thing with her elbows, and I think one of her shoulders, as far as being thrown around, like that goes, it's bad for like they dislocate.
Hello.
So just so you're aware.
Oh well. 1, 2.
2.
Three.
Wait. So don't throw Story around.
Yeah.
That's fine. Hi.
No, you can do it. You just gotta do it by the hips and shit. You can't do it by the limbs.
Story, you cannot have both buckets.
Be nice and share.
Share. Stop. Share. Story, you can't have both. Pick one. That one? Get that one. It's bigger. Maddie, can you have that bucket? And Story have this one? Oh, there you go. Go ahead, Story. No, you cannot have both buckets. You play with that one.
Whoa. Okay, hold on. Hold on. She's ninja chopping the. Here you go.
Here you go, baby. You're welcome.
Frickin' Skylander.
No, you this one. You have that one. There you go.
Get in now.
Go show Daddy. Can you pick it up? Say, heavy, Dad, heavy. You feel better? No. Thanks.
Hello. Coda says Story's got issues with her elbows?
She's a nursemaid's elbow.
What the heck is that?
It pops in and out of place very easily.
Did it get
What about her
dislocated
shoulders?
when she was baby?
No, her shoulders are fine. Yeah.
Oh.
She fell off
You
the
wanna
bed.
flip?
Like my mom's bed is
You wanna
pretty
flip?
tall. It's like to there, and my
So-
little sister went to grab her to
Damn,
her.
that's what's
Okay.
up.
yanked her
So tell
arm,
me
and
if
it popped
she
out.
would or wouldn't be able to do something like this. Come here, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I do that with her. That's fine.
Oh, okay.
Just holding her like
Okay, I got
this way.
I told you, elbows. I thought she had my shoulder, but it's not.
Just
You
your
wanna go
elbows.
up high? Really big.
Come here.
He'll send you
Come
up
here,
high.
I'll flip you.
You want him to make you go high? You don't need your shoes off.
Come here.
Look at the living room on this bitch. Hey, what the fuck,
Come
man?
here.
You don't just grab the phone.
Backwards.
Well, yeah,
What do
because
you
the
do?
wrong person grabbed the phone. I wasn't
Backwards.
expecting you
Sorry.
to grab it. I'm not
Come
trying to be
here,
a
sweetheart.
dick, but I was
She
waiting for
feels
him to
like she
grab
needs to take
it.
her shoes off.
Okay,
for
we
her.
wasn't
couldn't help
expecting
her.
the phone to
It's
go
gonna
that
take
way.
forever, honestly. You want to flip now? No.
This is a trailer?
No.
Yeah.
Go. I got him. Go.
It's only $37,000.
So.
I found one earlier that
Okay,
I like
here we
even
go.
better.
Let's lay
It
down,
has a
let's lay.
loft for the kids.
Okay, if you can do the upside down thing, then
You
we can
excited?
do all of it. Ready?
7-9.
1, 2, 3.
We need to take your pants in.
With you.
She just needs to grow into them.
With you.
I can take them in
The
and leave
shirt.
the...
No. He's like, I'm done.
No, I want my pants on.
Come here. Come here. Let me see these. Come here. You can take them in, like right here. Like this. The inside. Hold on. Hold on. Story, let me see your pants. So take them in this way.
Yeah.
And just leave that, so then when she does grow into them, you can just undo the stitching.
Stitch.
That's what I do with her clothes all the time.
Yeah, I could. I have lots and lots of clothes that I put away because she's just too small for them. And she's really skinny around, but longer.
Yes,
her
and
legs,
that's why I do it. Like I buy the ones that are good in length, because Riker had that problem, or Riker had that problem. Long legs, but freaking this big ram. Hey, I don't know what that is, but no.
It's not healthy for babies, is what
They
that
can't
is.
get into it, even if they wanted to.
Oh, they're sucking on it.
So that.
No.
I didn't know they make double pop outs. A pop out that
Dude.
pops out.
They make 4 pop
No, no, no,
outs.
no. A pop out that pops out. Like it goes.
I didn't know what it did.
Yeah, see that?
Oh, I've seen them.
No, I've never seen that.
That's not what I was thinking. No, you cannot have both buckets. You have to share a bucket. You keep looking at them like you're gonna have both. No, sorry.
I thought about it.
You can play with her, but do not take the bucket.
I do what I want.
Okay?
Yeah, my candy.
I did not. I ate half of my candy and a little bit of your candy. And then you
Hey.
ate all of it.
When you guys use the toilet in
You
here,
know what?
you gotta make sure that
The
Oh,
butterfly.
pull the handle all the way up, 'cause
I know that.
Because it doesn't
I
stop
know.
going.
yeah, my dad's freaking out about it.
Well, it was me. I kind of lifted the handle up.
So you gotta lift it all the way up.
Yeah, you gotta pull it all the way up.
Okay.
Dude,
Huh.
Dude.
what up? That's doing the trailer right.
This looks like some shit Will Smith's got, dude.
Somebody.
It just says man on the front.
There's heavy
Okay, now this might be the biggest. So, I don't think that's a pull-out, dude. I think that's just somebody screwing around. It looks like a trailer that's on wheels, but I don't think that slides back in.
Oh, yeah, eagle.
Have you seen Will Smith's trailer?
Yeah. It's retarded. I know.
Look, this looks like our trailer.
That's the
Turn
guy.
that shit off, dude.
Really?
Yeah, it's going way too long. It's just getting random shit now.
Look,
It's gonna
It
get
is
something
our
that's gonna get us in
trailer.
trouble.
except
That'll be good stuff, though.